Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the essentials ready: your 16-character activation key, the correct platform, and an active social club account. Once done, sign into Social Club and confirm your email so the system recognizes you. Next, open the Rockstar Games launcher or the redeem page. Make sure your internet is stable because the key validation happens online. Now, choose the platform tied to your key. This directs the code to the right store account, and that starts the activation flow. Now you enter the code. Click Redeem Code, type the 16-character key exactly, and submit. If prompted, link the platform account, Steam, Epic, PSN, or Xbox Live, because the key attaches the license to that account. This is why linking matters. Follow any two-step verification steps to prove it's you, and accept the final terms. If activation fails due to region restrictions, make sure your social club region matches the key's region before retrying. This resolves many mid-process errors. Finish by confirming the activation message in Social Club and checking that the game shows up in your library. This proves the key attached correctly. Then, initiate the download through the linked platform and monitor space and download progress. Make sure you meet disk and version requirements. If something goes wrong, first recheck the key and your account region, confirm your email, and retry. If problems persist, contact Rockstar support with your key and account info so they can investigate and resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.